Today we are doing exercise 4.5, chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas, class 6. Now question number 1 is draw a sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. तो पहले हमें एक रफ स्केच बनाना है किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS का. देन ड्रॉ इट्स डायगनल्स. उसके बाद हम उसकी डायगनल्स ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड देन वी विल नेम दीज डायगनल्स. And is the meeting point of the diagonal in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral. तो जो मीटिंग पॉइंट है डायगनल्स का वो इंटीरियर में है क्वाड्रिलेटरल के या फिर एक्सटीरियर में है. सो दिस वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू राइट इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. First of all, draw a quadrilateral PQRS. Quadrilateral means 4 sides. Now here we have drawn a figure which has 4 sides. Now after that we will name it PQRS. Now we have written the name P, Q, R and S. Now draw diagonals. तो डायगनल क्या होती हैं? जो अपोजिट वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन करती हैं उनको हम डायगनल्स कहते हैं. सो वी विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन फर्स्ट. वी विल ड्रॉ डायगनल लाइक P को R से ज्वाइन करेंगे, S को Q से ज्वाइन करेंगे. Now these two are the diagonals PR and SQ. Now the meeting point of these diagonals are in interior or exterior. तो meeting point है क्या इनका? उसको हम नेम देंगे M. This is the meeting point and we have named it M. Now write meeting point of diagonal is in the interior. Now meeting point of diagonals, meeting point of diagonal is in interior. Now the question number 1 is completed. Now this is question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN and state. First of all, 2 pair of opposite sides, then 2 pair of opposite angles, and then 2 pair of adjacent sides, and then 2 pairs of adjacent angles we are required to write. तो सबसे पहले हमें इसमें एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाना है. उसका नेम जो होगा वो KLMN देंगे. उसके बाद इसमें पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स, अपोजिट एंगल्स, एडजेसेंट साइड्स और एडजेसेंट एंगल्स के पेयर जो हैं वो उसके बाद हमें लिखने हैं. नाउ लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल KLMN. Quadrilateral means 4 sides, so we have drawn a figure which has 4 sides. Now we will name it as KLMN. Now this is the quadrilateral KLMN. Now after this we are required to write opposite sides, pair of opposite sides, pair of opposite angles, pair of adjacent angles and pair of adjacent sides. First of all, pair of opposite sides. Now here we are writing opposite sides, so you can see NK and LM. NK and LM, and the other side is KL and NM. Now first is NK and LM, and other is KL and NM. These are the opposite sides. Now write opposite angles. Now we are writing opposite angles. So here you can see K angle is opposite to M and L angle is opposite to L. This is angle K, this is angle M, this is angle L, this is angle N. So angle K is opposite to angle M. K is opposite to angle M and K is opposite to angle M and N is opposite to angle L. So this is angle K, angle M, angle N, angle L. Now we will write adjacent sides. So we know that the sides which have the common vertex are adjacent sides. So NK and KL, KL and LM, LM and MN, and MN and NK. These are adjacent sides. This KL and this KL and LM. Then LM and MN. Then MN and NK. After that NK and KL. Now these are the adjacent sides. Now we will write adjacent angles. Now adjacent angles we will write. So angle K and angle L. Then angle L and angle M. Angle M and angle N. And last is angle N and K. So these are the opposite angles, opposite sides, opposite angles, adjacent sides and adjacent angles.